Disneyland! Who's ready? Who's ready? Who's ready? But so far, I think the line experience was pretty cool. They had some cool decorations.
Attention inside Runaway Railway, powering down immediately. Please stand clear.
All right,
It's coming back.
let's go.
It's coming back.
We can't get out.
What happened, Emery?
The rain stopped.
The ride stopped.
It's not doing anything.
It's not doing anything.
Get out. Let me out of here, please.
We're trapped in Disneyland forever. So they are now here to come rescue us. Okay.
Oh.
So
Attention, Runaway Railway riders. We are currently experiencing technical difficulties. Please remain seated in your train car until a Run-a-Muck Railroad representative arrives to assist you. Thank you.
So some cast members just came through and checked on us and
And they look
said, "Are you okay?" We said, "Okay," and then they left.
Open up the lap bar, just have your arms around the drum.
Arms up.
Put some belongings. You're gonna join Elizabeth right here.
Hello.
We're gonna have the front row go back
go first.
because it's a big step.
Oh, okay. Alright, there's gonna be a big step, okay?
Why?
Well, they put a stool out, okay? So make sure you step on the stool when we go down. Alright, Mommy, you're gonna lead the way. Not yet.
Black button is for if it has power. For now, follow that.
Okay. Step down. Big step, big step. Good job, Mama.
Thank you.
Wow. We got the exclusive tour. We get to walk. That did it.
We do ask that any personal devices are put away. We don't want anybody tripping. We're walking in narrow spaces.
Okay.
We're just walking in the ride.
We'll come back for you guys.
Right over here against the wall, please, friends.
Happy birthday.
Turn back alley.
What'd you do for your birthday?
We're here.
We got the walking tour for the railroad.
We're back.
Stay against the wall for me, friends, right over here.
Yup. Yo, hey. Yup. I'll come back for you guys. Hold up.
Mommy, you're glowing. Me too, I'm glowing.
The railroad track. Oh, the new Mickey ride. We've been waiting for like 20 minutes.
No. No. So what's cool is they're gonna rescan our tickets and let us ride this again after. Mama. They're gonna revalidate our passes.
Yeah.
Nice.
For like a comeback or return
Nice.
time.
We have an open scanner here, and we'll have 3 altogether.
Yes.
Yes, please.
Excellent. So that'll be 1, 2, and 3. This will show up on the Disney app as a lightning lane multiple experience select, and it'll be valid for this ride and for the rest of the day.
When your wife changes 3 times before we leave the car, take the trip down, you know, go through security almost, and then decides, you know what, I want to change again. So I gotta go back to the car, let's go get the clothes, and then bring it back. Get these steps in, for show, for show.